What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you a quick little iPhone hack that's gonna save you a ton of time. And this is what's known as text replacement shortcuts. So essentially, you're able to create a shortcut that can give you a phrase, a text, hashtags, or anything else that you want. So you're gonna wanna make sure you have your phone out and ready, because in just a second here, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. So just follow along step by step. I do go pretty quick, so you may need to pause the video, but let's go. Here's an iPhone hack that's gonna save you a ton of time. If you use the same hashtags a lot or send common text messages, then you need to listen up. What you're gonna wanna do is go into your iPhone settings. From there, you're gonna wanna hit general, and then you're gonna wanna go into keyboard. Once you're there, you're gonna wanna hit text replacement. Then you're gonna hit the plus in the top right corner, and where it says phrase, you're gonna wanna type out all the hashtags that you typically use. And then below that, you're gonna wanna create a shortcut that's easy to remember. So the next time, instead of typing out all 30 hashtags, you can just type your shortcut and it will auto-populate them for you. Save this for later and follow me for more tips. So there you have it, nice and quick, and you can use this for all sorts of uses. Some other things that I like to use it for are links, emails, phone numbers, addresses, or anything else of the sort. If there's anything you can think of that you're sending regularly every single day or even every other day, this is something you're gonna wanna implement. So hopefully you found this tip useful. If you did get any sort of value from it, all I ask is that you hit that thumbs up button. And if you're looking for more social media tips specific to real estate and realtors, I suggest you consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks so much for watching. And while you're here, check out another one of the videos on our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.